Hello, and welcome to this video on compound interest. We have that Amanda's investment of $85,600 in a fund matured to $117,065.52 in 5 years. If the interest in the fund is compounded semi-annually, calculate the following rounded to 2 decimal places: the periodic interest rate and the nominal interest rate. To work with this problem, we need to understand various variables involved in it. We have that Amanda invested certain amount of money in a fund, and then that money matured to another sum. The original investment, the $85,600, corresponds to the present value, or PV, of Amanda's investment. Now that principal value is going to be related to this future value of the investment. So here we have PV. What's this? The future value of the investment is $117,065.52. That's the maturity value of the investment. And there will be a relationship between those two through a certain formula. Now, the $85,600 grew into the future value in 5 years. The 5 years is the time period, the period of time during which the interest is calculated. So here we have 5 years. Now, the interest in the fund is compounded semi-annually. That means that the interest in the fund is compounded every 6 months or twice a year. The compounding frequency then is 2 for twice a year. And given the time period and the compounding frequency, we can compute the total number of compounding periods during the term by using the formula n equals m times t. So we have 10 times that the interest is compounded 10 times in the period of 5 years. Now, to find the periodic interest rate, that's denoted by I, we use a formula. That formula tells us that we compute the future value divided by the present value, all that raised to the power 1 over n, and then we subtract 1. Here, the interest rate corresponds to, and this power 1 over n is the same as the nth root. So we'll have the 10th root of future value is 117,065.52. And we divide that by the present value, which is 85,600. And then we subtract 1. And what we get out of this computation is the number 0.0312 and some other numbers, which can be rounded to 3.18%. So the periodic interest rate, the interest rate for a given compounded period, is about 3.18%. Now, to compute the nominal interest rate, that's J, we use the formula I times M. So we're going to multiply the 3.18% by 2. And when we do that, we get the number 6.36%. So there we have the nominal interest rate. That is the interest rate per annum on which the compound interest calculation is based for a given compounding period. Okay, that's all for this problem. If you have a question, let me know. Write a comment or contact me and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.